Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. For those of you who are new, in this video I'm going to be styling this body wave lace frontal wig that was sent to me from Beauty Forever. So this is what the inside of the lace looks like, and I'm going to show you guys the hairline here. Alright, so this wig does need to be customized. So now I'm just going to take the time to pluck it and bleach the knots. And then when I come back, I'm going to style the wig. So I did some sort of ball cap method. It's not complete, as you guys can see. The side here is missing some stocking. You know, I just did a quick one basically. So the unit here is not completely dry, but I'm still gonna put it on. I'll dry it after I install it, like completely dry it. I bleached the knots and I tweezed it, so it's looking like this for now. Okay, so before I install it, I just want to take my hot comb and I just want to put the hairs all the way back because I just don't want it to be in the way. I'm going to take my clips now and just move the hair out of the way. Today I'm going to be using the Isha Absolute Lace Bond Lace Wig Glue. I know there's some on my hair right here, but I do have the remover. It's not that strong. It's not that bad. It's not going to do anything to my hair, especially at the sides. My hair is not super weak around the sides. I'm more worried about up here more than anything. So that is enough glue. I'm going to let this, you know, get as transparent as it can before I lay down the lace. All right, I think this is as clear as it's gonna get for now. So I'm just gonna bring the lace forward and just put it on. All right, now I'm just gonna take the scissors and just cut off like any excess lace that didn't get glued. So now I'm just gonna take my Stush elastic band and I'm just gonna use it to like flatten and melt and press the lace into the glue. So while that's doing that, I think I'm gonna start curling my hair. So I'm using my 1 1/4 inch curling iron from Conair, and I picked this one up from Walmart. And this is my first time using a curling iron in years. I'm so used to using my curling one. So honestly, this is a little bit uncomfortable for me. And I might even just switch over to using a curling one if I can't really get the hang of it. So not too bad, and the curls look like this. I think I can work with that. I finished curling my hair. So I got these nice big waves. I might add some more because I know they're gonna drop later. But I'm going to take off my elastic band now to see what is going on under here. Oh, this feels so good. Okay, so your girl is looking melted. I just need to define this part a little bit more, of course. This looks so good, guys. Just need to make sure that so I made some baby hairs on this side. I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I'm gonna just put some on my temple here, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so my makeup is finished, and this is the complete look. So this is the length of the hair. Yeah, I think it came out really pretty. This is the 26 inch. I'm gonna take some cute photos. I really wish I filmed this makeup look because I'm really loving it. It's like a little smoky eyes, pretty neutral, and it was very easy to create. I'm gonna put on some nice beautiful earrings and take some photos, hopefully maybe post them on Instagram. All right, and that is, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.